In this video, we'll be finding out whether Trading212's free shares are worth it or are they a scam. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Euan, and on this channel we talk about personal finance and investing in the stock market. And on today's video, we'll be talking Trading212 as always, and we'll be looking at if the free shares are worth it for the individual and for Trading212. And we will go over how to get your first share if you don't have an account with Trading212 yet, and whether you'll actually receive it, and how much that share is likely to be. And stick around to the end because I will be sharing how you can make over £200 by finessing this scheme and taking advantage of Trading212's generosity. So in order to answer the first question, whether these Trading212 free shares are actually worth it, we need to work out what is actually in it for Trading212. So Trading212 are using this to entice people into using their platform and enticing people into using the CFD side of the platform because that is where they make their money. But if you've been watching this channel at all, in any of my videos, I've pretty much mentioned this in every of my videos, do not use the CFD because you will lose your money. I know that people do make money from this, but I personally feel it is too risky and I would not want to promote something that 76% of people lose their money. So stick with me, be in the long term and take advantage of this offer, but don't be silly. So by avoiding the CFD side, you can actually avoid all fees by using the ISA and the invest side of the app and not pay anything to Trading212. So they probably hate me, but not my problem really, is it? So for Trading212, they can easily recoup their investment by giving out these free shares because people who don't watch my videos will be using the CFD side and losing their money.
So if you know anyone who needs help and doesn't watch my videos, make sure you call the number on the screen right now, 0800 sub to Euan, and get them the help that they need.
And press the like button too. But what's in it for the people that are just signing up for Trading212 and the people that have already signed up? Is it actually worth signing up for the free share or is it a bit scammy? I can confirm that I am not a Tory. Oh, sorry, that was the wrong one. Wrong video. But someone said I looked a bit like him, so I thought it'd be a good crack. I can confirm that it is not a scam. I've had personal usage of the referral link and I've used it and got a free share. And also people have signed up using my link and I've received a free share, and so have they. Thank you, people. So now we know that you actually will receive a share. How much will it be after you follow the steps of using a referral link in the description, signing up for the app and making an account, thirdly depositing £1 into your account? How much is your first share likely to be? Personally, I signed up in March and I received a Hewlett Packard share and it was worth around £8 at that point. Admittedly, that is not the £100 or up to the £100 that they state, but obviously it did say up to, so £8 is still free money. And I can't complain because I like free money. Money, 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 because I like free money. From my experience, the average price of the share that you get is around £12.50. This is based on my sort of research I've done, and I don't think that's too bad. That is obviously more than minimum wage, and you're doing a lot less than 1 hour's work. So even if you don't use the app to properly invest, you can still make a bit of money and invest your money elsewhere. Now onto the fun part, where you can make a lot more money, around £200. And that's £200 of pure profit. So once you've got your free share, then you can recruit your friends and family and girlfriend and dog to make an account, and then you will receive a free share, and so will the person that you get to sign up. You can only currently recruit 20 people per account. If you manage to get all 20 at £12.50-ish, then you will make £250, which I think is pretty good. And all it will take is a bit of selling and persuasion, which I think is a really good trait for anyone in their life, a good skill to have. And you can just do a bit of wheeler dealing like Harry Redknapp. All you need to do is a bit of wheeler dealing like Harry Redknapp. But once you have 20 people signed up using your account, then you can also be a bit cheeky and maybe ask your girlfriend, your mum, your dad, your dog to use their account, and you can just split the profits. And I reckon you can make a few £100 there if you did it properly and manage to convince a few people. So you never know. Give it a try if you have time to do it, of course. And a bonus tip, if you're a money, finance, blogger, influencer, YouTuber, whatever. And you can sign up to the unlimited referral scheme, but they will check that you do have an account and you're not trying to cheat the system. But if you do have an influence online at all, then maybe give it a go. And if you don't have one, then maybe start having one. So now let's just jump into the app and I will show you the free shares that I've received in the last week from you lovely people. Let's have a look. I haven't had this one before, American Airlines. So happy with that. Good old £10. National Grid is the most common one in the world, along with Under Armour. So we've got quite a few of those. And then we have Royal Dutch Shell and Snapchat. So that is looking fairly good at £132 based off 11.15. So it's just under £10, probably like £8 average. So I'm hoping there will be a couple big ones coming in, but I guess we'll see. Maybe not. I probably won't keep these in here. I'll probably remove them at some point, but we're in the green, so might as well keep them there for a bit. But when I need to reinvest back into the channel, then I will remove the money and reinvest in that way, because that's the best way to do it. Cash flow the business, so as I receive income, then I'll put it back into the business and hopefully grow the business and hopefully grow this YouTube channel. And if you fancy adding any more free shares into this account, then you know where the link is in the description below. But if you do that, then make sure to message me on Instagram so that you can tell me which one you got. Anyway, I don't think this is the longest video, but one last thing from me. I actually got monetized on YouTube, so you may have seen an ad on this video in between somewhere. Yeah, that's just news from me, which is all down to you guys. So I just want to say a big thank you to you all for helping me out and making me get to this point. I'm hoping that I can grow this channel and sort of make some income so that I can maybe leave my job, but I'm not telling my boss. So boss, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit that like button and you subscribe to my channel, because I'm trying to hit 10k by the end of the year. So another sort of plug to myself, but make sure you subscribe if you're still here and you're watching to this point, and comment below something funny so that you can entertain me and I'll pin the funniest one. All there is left to say is I'm not a millionaire, but I'm trying to help you become one. So peace. How do you like your eggs in the morning? I like my weather. Our Trading212s, are they a scam? Is it a scam? Or is it a scam? But what's it? But it's not the wheeler dealer. The wheeler dealer. The wheeler dealer of the century, mate. What? Australian, mate. What? The wheeler dealer. And just do a bit of wheeler dealing. Wheeler dealing? What the? Harry Redknapp. A bit of wheeler dealing. Jam roly poly. Jam roly poly. Jam roly poly. Just do a bit of wheeler dealing. That's it. Good. Yeah, it's good.